Damn it! Ah! Hey TikTok, Jim Malone here, coming to you live. Also, hey TikTok, Jim Malone here, coming to you live. Also, live streaming on Periscope, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So it's a lot of stuff today. We have a lot of stuff to get into, and I hope everyone is surviving this downturn in the market. Definitely a little bit of a movement to the downside here. So it's it's as always, it's interesting, but I do think I do think we're going to be coming back, and I do think we're going to see some uptrend as well. So I have a question here. First question. Hey, well, hello. How are you doing? It's good to see you again today. Well, basically, let me just get into the slides here real quick. We have, it's a little bit of a downturn, but we're gonna work through that. I did a flash alert last night. Believe it or not, the movement of the Dow is actually we're still in a confirmed uptrend. You wouldn't know it, but we're definitely in a confirmed uptrend, and I want to show you a very interesting chart after this. But basically, Adobe is gotten a lot of love from the analyst community. I think it's going to be doing very well, and also a company that I've been covering, Zynex. Very, very good company, and not an expensive stock at all. This is a look earlier in the day at the S&P 500. Spdr, this is the Spdr. This is the largest ETF in the world. It currently has a valuation of approximately $220 billion. A lot of people's retirement funds are in this, and this is very important. This covers the S&P 500, all the 500 stocks, basically, that are in the Fortune 500. So, very important. Now, the important part of the S&P 500 is the top about 50 to 100 stocks. The rest of it are financial companies, mainly banks, regional banks, and they tend to drag the index down a little bit. It is moving down today. I mean, it's moved down a lot yesterday. It then bounced, as you can see. It bounced up. Let me see if I can put the pointer on that. Yeah, there we go. It bounced up just a tad, as you can see. It went down and then up with the blue arrow. There is strong, fairly strong buying activity here up to the 40-day moving average. So that's an important thing. So there is a lot more volume than usual. It's up 40%, and 94 million approximate shares changed hands earlier in this morning. So definitely seeing some action there. Now, I want to show you this chart. This is an important chart. This is about market volatility and just kind of how there was a reversal of sentiment yesterday. So we may be seeing a new phase of the market. And basically, these red arrows here, as you can see, are when the VIX, this is the VIX, this trend line here, this is when the VIX moves up. Now, we had been trending down. The volatility had been trending down until yesterday when it moved up. This, believe it or not, confirms the reversal in a market. And interestingly enough, when it's 20% above this 10-day moving average. So interestingly enough, you know, when fear is in Wall Street, volatility rules. So there is a bit of fear in the market right now, but oh, you can't see anything. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I'm having trouble. Okay, I apologize for that. I'm having an internet issue here. So let me see if I can give you a better read on that. So let me see if I can edit that. Okay, let's see if we can I'm going to end the broadcast and I'm